Hello, Namaskar. This is Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us try to understand the stock market ecosystem and how stock market works. What are the entities that are involved in creating stock market ecosystem? There are many financial intermediaries or entities which create a stock market ecosystem. Ecosystem is nothing but a network or interconnected system. The financial intermediaries or the entities that are involved in creating a stock market ecosystem are stockbrokers, banks, depository and depository participants, clearing corporations. Now we will try to understand how these entities work together to create a stock market ecosystem. Now let us try to understand the stock market ecosystem. There are investors. Investors are those who buy or sell the shares. Investor need to have a bank account to perform a transactions in the stock market. As we know, bank account is used for saving the money. Investor will need to have a bank account, and investor also need to have a trading account with the stockbroker. As explained in the earlier videos, there are many stockbrokers available. For example, Zerodha, Sharekhan, Upstocks, Religare, ICICI, Axis, etc. Investor also need to have a trading account with any of the stockbrokers. The link for opening a trading account is given in the description of this video. Also, investor need to have a demat account. Demat account is used for holding or saving the shares in electronic format. An investor need to have a bank account with a bank, trading account with the stockbroker, and demat account with the depository. All these three accounts are necessary for performing a transactions in the stock market. The demat account is used for holding a shares in electronic format. There are two main depository services in India: NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited, and CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited. Before buying a share, we need to have a money in our trading account. For that, investor need to transfer money from bank account to the trading account. Once a share is bought using the trading account, that share will be deposited to the demat account of the investor in 2 working days. Using the trading account, investor will connect with the stock exchange and place the buy or sell orders. Stock exchange will enable the transaction. Investor cannot connect directly with the stock exchange. Investor will have a trading account with the broker. Using that account, we can place the order which will get connected to the stock exchange, and we can perform the buy or sell transactions. And there is one more entity which is involved in creating the stock market ecosystem are clearing corporations. The role of the clearing corporations is to ensure guaranteed settlement of transactions. For example, let us assume you have ordered 1 share of TCS for 2000 rupees. Clearing corporations ensure that you have a 2000 rupees account balance in your trading account, and it will deduct 2000 rupees from your trading account and deposit those amount to the investor who sold that TCS share, and it will also ensure that you will receive your 1 TCS share you have ordered, and which will be deposited to your demat account with your depository. The main clearing corporations involved in India are NSCCL, National Security Clearing Corporation Limited, and ICCL, Indian Clearing Corporation Limited. NSCCL works with the National Stock Exchange or NSE. ICCL works with Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE. All these activities involved in the ecosystem are being monitored by SEBI. SEBI is the regulator of the stock market. They are responsible for ensuring that all the rules are followed. Now let us summarize what we have learned. There are many financial intermediaries which are involved in creating a stock market ecosystem. An ecosystem is an interconnection of systems. The intermediaries or the entities involved in creating stock market ecosystem are stockbrokers, banks, depository and depository participants, and clearing corporations. I hope this helps you in understanding the stock market ecosystem. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video.